today we're going to go through the framing of ladies' corporate garments and men's business shirts. Here at Reali, all corporate garments must be framed with cutaway backing. 2 layers are required. There are 2 different colours of cutaway backing available, our charcoal and white, so depending on the colour of your garment would be the colour backing you choose. I'm going to show you one way to mark up a ladies' corporate blouse. For this particular blouse, I'm going to mark from the sleeve. So the base of the sleeve, you take a ruler's length and place a mark line. For this blouse, I know that my centre of the design, I want on the edge of the neckline. This has now given us lines to place our frame on. Similar to the drill shirt that we framed, we place our inner ring inside of the garment. 2 layers of backing. Placed inside of the garment. Adjust it if you need. Take our top of the frame and again our centre line and our side lines line up with the garment. Ensure the fabric is firm, do not overstretch. So after you've framed the backing, you want to make sure the garment is drum tight and there's no movement in the fabric. When you look from behind where your design is going to be placed, you want to make sure the backing has been caught with the frame. So here we have exactly the same blouse as the last one I framed, however it's a different size. So I'm just going to show you, we use exactly the same method to mark our blouse. So again, off our neckline. And for this blouse, as it's a darker colour, I'm going to use the charcoal backing. So again, we take our inner ring, place it inside the garment. Place our backing in, adjust if you need. Again, centre line, ensure our marked line is lining up straight. And ensure our backing has been caught. So we have our garment framed. I'm going to show you how to load it onto the machine, and also with all corporate garments, we move 1 centimetre above our marked line. I'm going to show you how to do that on the machine accurately. We place the garment onto the machine, again ensuring nothing is caught underneath. We sweep the garment and make sure no fabric is caught between the backing and the arm of the embroidery machine. All of the machines we have at Reali have a laser pointer on it, so you can see where the start position for that design is going to be. For these particular shirts, we need to move up 1 centimetre from our marked line, and we can do that through the automat on the machine. So our garment's loaded onto the machine. This is the design we're using for this garment. So now, to be able to move it up into position, I'm going to press drive, which engages the machine. At this stage, a green screen means that the machine is ready to start. So here we have some measurements that allow us to know how far we've moved the needle. So we're going to move up off our marked line, and 1 centimetre on here is 100 millimetres. So now we're at our correct start point. Again, we need to do a trace to ensure that this design is going to fit into that frame. Design is in the position that we like. We do, however, need to ensure that we trace the garment to make sure it fits. So we can do this through the screen. So we have a blue ring there that's telling us that this design will fit in the machine. And you also have an outline. And what that will actually do is trace the outline of the design, and that will just help you to make sure that it will definitely fit in the frame.